Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e and let me show you how to perform here the virus scan on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's enable the list of all apps, choose here settings, scroll down and select here the device care. From the following options, select security. Let me tap activate this anti-malware and let's choose here scan phone. The device is scanning itself. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Alright, so that's it. In my case, everything looks good. My phone is secure. Now I can go back and start using my device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.